Firstring tricky concept. Firstring tutors are patient and have a lot of experience with various learning styles. Therefore, Firstring sessions will be tailored to individual needs. Every student learns in a different way, so Firstring adapt our teaching style to what suits them. We can help with anything from exam technique, to drafting coursework, to going over a tricky concept. When it comes to difficult topics, Firstring tends to talk students through the topic and then have them explain it back to us in their own words. We find that this is one of the most effective ways to see where exactly within a subject a student is lacking understanding, which allows us to focus our revision more effectively. Firstring can mark practice essays, provide resources and set tasks that help learning, but again, it depends on the individual student's preferences.
Hello, my name is Rishi, and I'm here to talk to you about the Firstring Global Online Tuition Service. It really helped me, especially during my A-levels, in which you have to put in so much more work and effort into your studies, but this actually motivates me as well as educate me in my subjects. The teachers are really supportive and actually very talented. They explain things no matter what you ask them, and they are the most patient teachers you'll ever get, more than in school. Also, the service is really seamless and integrated well with Skype, and the classroom they have, the online virtual classroom, is really, really fun to use. Thank you for listening, and it's really something you should try out. They have a week free trial as well, so there's no harm in trying it.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwin Thomas and I'm a student at Firstring Global Online Tuition, and this is my vlog on how Firstring Global Online Tuition managed to help me improve on my weak subjects. Firstly, I wasn't doing particularly well at English and science. I had been getting really bad scores and I needed help fast, as GCSE was right off the corner. That's when I was introduced to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So I started doing Firstring Global Online Tuition. I had made a lot of progress with the help of the teachers, who taught me different subjects in science and English. I learned a lot from them. They tested me through worksheets and homeworks, which was set at the end of each lesson, and we went through it at the start of each lesson to see if I was making any progress. Within 3 months, my teachers at school had started to notice the difference I was making. I'd been doing fantastically well at my test, which meant that I could beat my targets. This is all thanks to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So if you're thinking of joining, I surely recommend you do, and you will see the difference in your lessons.